If you are a trader and you are trading manually, you are absolutely doing it the wrong way, because you are missing an opportunity and you are wasting a lot of time. Now, take a look at this. A user asked me, I've been losing a lot of money trading Forex and I am going to quit trading Forex. And I said to him, worry no more. Because with automated trading robot like VixieBot, you are guaranteed to make a profit like $10,000 in the period of 3 months. He thought I was joking. So I told him to fund his account with a minimum of $1,000 or greater, and then send me a login details that I'm going to be giving him 3 months to achieve the target of $10,000 from his account as a profit. Now take a look at this. Take a look at this. This is an account that was funded with $2,900. Now check a look at this. This is the date of the funding. You can see. Now if you scroll up, you are going to see the trade that was executed by VixieBot automatically. Said no more to losing Forex. This is the right way for you to make a lot of money. Now take a look at this. $1,031 is already made from this user on his trading account. This is real and this is legit, and you cannot lose any money with this automated trading bot, and it saves you a lot of time. If you have been losing money, I am sorry for you, because there is automated trading bot you can use, automated trading bot like VixieBot that you can use to make a whole lot of money. Now look at the running trade. This account is going to $10,000 in the period of 3 months. I am giving the user 3 months to achieve $10,000 in this account. This is not play. We are not playing here. We are not playing here. If you have come across this video and you are still trading manually, okay, maybe that's your cup of tea. But I want to let you know that you can make a lot of money by automated trading bot like VixieBot. Now take a look at this trade. This trade, none of the trade was executed manually. All is executed with VixieBot. And take a look at the date of the initial deposit. Now this is less than 2 weeks and $1,030 is already achieved.